And this wig is perfect for summer. I did not do glueless. Y'all know how I feel about glueless. I have a love-hate relationship with it. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today in this video, another easy summertime curly wig, y'all. And guess what? She's glueless. If you're not new here, you know how I feel about glueless. So the fact that I am cheesing with a glueless wig, it might be a good video. So I'm going to show you this wig sent over by Alipearl hair. Thank you guys so much for that. I'm going to give you all the details of how I defined the curls, how I got here, and show you how easy this wig really is. If you're new here, consider sticking around. Hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's jump in. So first off, I was definitely impressed with the packaging. I was like, okay, this unit is nice. You're going to get a few goodies in your box. We all like a few gifts. Your wig cap, your lashes, all of that. Out the pack, this wig is pre-plucked. The knots are thin. I was really impressed with how this hairline looked. Like, do y'all see what is happening? The wig is ready to go. The lace is already cut. You get this elastic band if you want to wear it glueless. A few combs if you need it. And I love how these wigs are coming with this ear contour shape. I mean, that's so perfect. So I wanted to show you guys exactly what the curls were looking like right out the pack. The curls are popping, actually. Like, this wig looks really good, ready to go. You could probably put some setting lotion right out the pack, but I did decide to shampoo and condition it, you know, just to get those curls to really pop because I wanted to define it, and this is what it's looking like. I love how soft it was. These are all the products that I'm going to use to set my curls and define it. Don't worry, I'm going to link everything down below on my Amazon storefront under Wig Essentials. So I like to start off with a little bit of serum for sheen, and lately I'm really feeling this Isha Daily Setting Mousse. I really like the way it pops out the curls. It's not too hard, it's not too soft. It's a really good setting mousse. Like, look at these curls, they are popping. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this all over the wig. I'm going in with my unbrush and some more mousse on the other side, and I'm just gonna define the curls and we're gonna set it. So if you want to wear the wig right away, you don't have to do all of this. I'm just showing you guys how I got my final results. You can go in with a diffuser if you need to wear the wig right away. I'm just showing you that, but I'm going to let this wig set overnight using my wig hanger and just let it air dry. That's normally how I set my wigs overnight. So the next day, look at these curls. They are popping. They came to life and I'm really happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. It's not much to do to this wig, y'all. Like, seriously, I put the wig on and I need to end the video here because that's it. Like, look how this lace is melting in. So I'm gonna touch it up just a little bit because we want it to look as natural as possible. We want it to look realistic. I was really impressed, but I decided to go in and tint the lace because this definitely does help with matching the wig to your complexion, making it look as natural as possible. So I'm gonna go in with that elastic band because I decided that I wanted to go in with this wig glueless. Like, this is quick, this is easy. I didn't want to use any adhesive. I just wanted to put the wig on. So I'm putting on a little bit of glosser because I do like putting this on my curly wigs. I feel like it just makes those curls look a little healthier. Y'all see what's happening? It's looking like scalp. It's looking like scalp and it's glueless. I did not secure this wig and it is totally melting in. So I just left it like this and decided to show y'all how it's looking glueless. Fluffed up those curls a little bit and I'm just matching the lace some more with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation. Apply your final touches to match the lace to your complexion and add the powder to the parting space, and guys, that's it. Alright guys, so I'm back putting on this wig. This wig is so gorgeous. I don't even know why it took me so long to bust out filming this wig. It is so easy. Guys, there's nothing much to say about this wig. This wig is gorgeous. All the specs are right here. All I did with this wig was shampoo, condition. I set it a little bit with my Isha setting mousse and it's perfect. This hair is so soft, y'all. Like, this wig is so soft. It feels so good. I thought that the curls would be like really hard and crunchy and defined, but they're not. Like, so this setting mousse is actually really good. It's like a soft hold, and this wig is perfect for summer. I did not do glueless. Y'all know how I feel about glueless. I have a love-hate relationship with it depending on the wig. So initially when I first put this wig on, I didn't have that elastic band in there, and go in with that elastic band and you could wear this wig glueless. This wig is very comfortable on my head, and with that elastic band you can adjust it. So if it's too tight, you can loosen it up a little bit. But I like the fact that I am glueless. Okay, you can use adhesive if you want. You can get like a little extra melts, but honestly, y'all, this is a wear and go summertime beautiful wig. This is a get out the house summertime wig, and I'm here for it. I think the length is perfect. It is pre-plucked. It is this 4x7 closure, guys, so you're not going to get the wig all the way down, but it's pretty much all the way down. Like, it stops right here, but I mean, with these curly wigs, do we really need the wig going all the way down? You can plug it if you need to some more. I think she's good. I don't have any complaints. So I'll leave all the details where you can purchase this wig down below in my description box. If there are any coupon codes, I'll also leave that down below. But she's a winner. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Drop me some comments down below so I can talk to you, okay? Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.